Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to GPT video update today. And I do see that GPT is really overextended here. Okay, we are probably at the very top of the mountain at the moment, and there's no RSI for me to even show you, but this is pretty much anyone who knows that trading, anyone who knows trading, there's no doubt that this is really massively overbought at the moment. So I don't know if magic can happen and continue to the moon again. It's already to the moon. I think it's time to visit Earth just for a little bit down here. So previously we talked about the Elliott wave theory, and we've already done that. So where we had, probably this was being your first wave, second wave, third one, fourth one, and you got the fifth one right over there. So if you're wondering that what is going on, I've already told you in the past videos, 2 days ago, that this was a bull flag, crossed the bull flag, crawled up, coming here, gave you this 0.14 to 15 as your technical target. That is actually met. Now the thing with the Elliott theory that follows is the following: an A correction, the B correction, and a very big deeper C correction. So basically you've already made this A, and I think this is the B here, whatever the B is, and we're looking for that very big C correction. And I do believe you're looking to even take out this lowest wick down here for that massive C correction, because that's just how the rule actually goes. Now, second thing is, if you look at it, we potentially have a bear flag right here, and that bear flag is gonna take the top to the bottom here, and we might even expect that this bear flag is going to take the prices all the way down to 0.093, and that's going to be a retracement from the current prices of nearly 21% move to the downside. So be super careful. Things are overextended in the market. I don't like how much things are going. Even Bitcoin is too much extended at the moment. GPT is extended. Everything is pretty much extended. So that's it for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.